Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Spoken English Radio. I'm Sarah.
And I'm James.
We have made it to episode 10. We have covered the present and we have covered the past simple. But today, we need to add some drama to our stories.
Today, we are talking about the past continuous tense.
This is the tense used by authors and movie directors. It sets the scene. It tells us what was happening in the background before the main action started.
If you want to tell a scary story or explain an accident, you need this tense.
So today, we will learn the grammar formula. It's very similar to present continuous. And then James and I will solve a mystery.
A mystery? I love mysteries. Let's get started.
Okay, James, what is the formula for past continuous?
It is exactly like present continuous, but we change the verb to be to the past. Formula: subject plus was or were plus verb-ing.
So, I am eating, present, becomes I was eating, past. They are sleeping, present, becomes they were sleeping, past.
Remember the rule. I, he, she, it use was. You, we, they use were.
And when do we use it? We use it for an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past.
Example: at 8 p.m. last night, I was watching TV. I started before 8 and I finished after 8. I was in the middle of it.
But the most common way we use it is for interruptions. I was doing X when Y happened.
Example: I was taking a shower when the phone rang. The shower is the long action, background. The phone ring is the short action, interruption.
Okay, keep that rule in mind. Long action versus short action. Now let's go to the scene of the crime.
Wait, before we start, we need to set the roles for our listeners.
Good point. Who are we playing today?
Okay, listeners, for this story, I will be the detective, and Sarah, you are the victim who lost her phone.
Got it. I am the sad victim. Let's start the scene.
Okay, ma'am. We need to find your missing phone. I need to know exactly what you were doing yesterday evening when it disappeared.
Okay, detective. Well, it was around 6 p.m. The sun was setting and the wind was blowing outside. It was a spooky evening.
Set the scene. Good. Who was in the house?
My brother and I were home. I was cooking dinner in the kitchen. I was chopping vegetables.
And where was your phone?
It was on the kitchen table. While I was cooking, I was listening to a podcast.
Okay. And what was your brother doing?
He was playing video games in the living room. He was shouting at the TV because he was losing.
I see. So you were cooking, he was playing. Then what happened?
Suddenly, the lights went out. We lost power.
Aha! The interruption. So while you were standing in the dark, did you hear anything?
Yes, while I was looking for a flashlight, I heard a noise. Someone was walking near the table.
Was it your brother?
I don't know. I asked him, "What are you doing?" And he said he was sitting on the sofa, but I don't believe him.
And when the lights came back on?
The phone was gone, and my brother was eating my chopped vegetables.
Mystery solved. Your brother was the thief. He stole the vegetables and the phone.
I knew it. That was a dramatic story, but it was perfect for practicing the tense. Let's look at the interruption sentences.
Sarah said, "The lights went out." Past simple, short action. But what was happening in the background?
I was cooking dinner. Past continuous, long action. So we combine them. I was cooking dinner when the lights went out.
We also use the word while to talk about two things happening at the same time.
I was cooking dinner while I was listening to a podcast. Both actions were happening together.
And don't forget the was-were rule. The sun was setting. It was. My brother and I were home. We were.
Many students say we was. That is a big mistake. Always say we were. So, listeners, you are now ready to tell your own stories.
For your homework, we want you to answer this question in the comments. What were you doing yesterday at 5 p.m.?
Example, I was driving home from work, or I was sleeping.
We'll read your reasons in the comments. If you want to support the channel, please like this video and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thanks for tuning in to Spoken English Radio.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep learning. Watch the next recommended videos to improve your English.